Good day, everyone. We'll be doing the example in our slide. So we'll first start with our layer. Create a layer for the red line. So turn this color to red, and then create a line of 150. We'll offset the line by 42, and we'll also offset the line by 72. And we'll create a line connecting all of them, and we'll offset it by 90 and delete this line. So this is what we have. All right, so would we still need that 90. Wow, okay, so since we still need that 90, we're going to move this by 20 down, and then we're going to move this by 90 up, and delete this line. So we need to go to our next layer. Next layer. Alright, so let's start with our circles. We'll be working with circle radius. So move to layer 1, make the white circle. Ten. And repeat circle by pressing enter. 10. Now we'll create another circle 20. Repeat circle by pressing enter. 20. Same 20. We come down, create 10. Create 15. And then we'll create 30. Now we have to create our next circle is 3 on 3 on radius 15. So create circle 3, and we'll go to array, polar array, click on the circle, specify 6, and then so that's okay. Sorry, repeat it again. So if you see this, you notice a mistake. So start again. Array. This is object. This is the center. And array. Alright, so I showed you two possible mistakes. Yes, I did that so we know that mistakes are acceptable, but being continuing having mistakes is not. So let's go again. Click it, right click and click on the center. If you see here now, I can change here to let's say 7, and then it changes automatically the angle, but from a diagram it is 3 6, so 6 and okay. So we're done with our array. Done with our array. The next thing we have to do is we'll have to work with tangents. Tangents for joining the circle to this circle and these two circles and all circles in the example. So we click tan radius, tan, radius is 25, and there we have it. So we go to trim. So we're going to go there. Same thing, tan radius. So tan, and the radius is 100. Now, did you see? So what's the mistake here now? It looked perfect and all. So go back 100. Nope. So we shouldn't come in from out. So we should come in from in to the school. 100. Oh my god. We're still making the mistake. Alright, let's get the correct thing done. There's no time. So we click on this and we click on this and put an angle. This should work, and it did. After so many tries, we got it. So let's remove it. Remove the excess, and there we have it. So there's this. Alright, so the last one. This is basically a line joining them from here to here. And there you have it. This is the drawing. So let's go into dimensioning. A radius dimension. Okay. Let's go to settings. You know, Okay, so let's try it. We've set our dimension. This is what showed, which is not what we expecting. This is why that showed up because of what we're clicking. So we're clicking the wrong thing. So that is a leather. It is not for dimensioning. This is what we should have used. So we click and there you have it. Click. And now we go to linear. The distance between here, here, and the distance between here and here, and the distance between here and here. So I believe we're not missing anything. This is the example in our slides all done. This is our challenge. Design a floor plan using AutoCAD, focusing on purpose scale and annotation.